Hello everybody, hi, this is Ray Lopez, realtor here in Orlando, Florida. We are going to talk a little bit about today's market and where it was and where it's going, but more importantly, being here in Orlando, Florida in September 2025, wow, the weather this week has been beautiful. We are in the mid 80s, low humidity, sun's been out for the last few days. This is truly fall weather. But let's talk a little bit about that real estate market because that seems to be the thing that's on everybody's mind nationwide. Are rates going up? Are rates going down? Well, the good news is rates actually have been coming down for the last few weeks. And with the weakening job market reports that came out last month, we're actually seeing a reduction in rates that we haven't seen in over a year. Rates today sit at around 6.35%. If you buy a point down, you're probably hitting the high fives. Okay, if you're in tune to getting a shorter loan rate term at a 15-year loan, now you're only at 5.5. Guys, to be in the fives again, we've been in the 6s and the 7s for the last 3.5 years. This is great news. So let's talk a little bit about what's going on in Orlando, Florida as far as the housing market goes. The August numbers just came out 2 days ago. Our inventory is kind of sitting pretty still this year. We're at 13,306 homes. We almost reached 14,000 earlier this year. Year over year, we are up still. Last year, we were sitting at 11,500, and now we're sitting at 13,300. Okay, so we're up 15% year over year. As far as closed sales goes, we actually had a pretty weak August. I don't remember a closed sales August this week in a few years. We had 2,306 sales. Typically for an August, we're sitting at around 3,000. Last year we had 2,655. So we are down 13% year over year. But I think what the difference is going to be when we close out the year is as rates tend to be falling because the Fed's talking about cutting the rates a couple times more because the weakening job rates, we are actually seeing highest mortgage applications year over year gain in the last 5 years. Okay, so we should have a last half of the year as far as buyers go with great rates, with increased inventory or pretty, 13,000-ish homes. This will be a great time to get a deal on the market. Later this month, every year, Realtor.com puts out an article and talks about when is the best time to buy in your city. In Orlando, it's either end of October, beginning of November for Orlando and most of the cities in Florida. So guys, this is what I want you guys to do. If you like what you hear, please, if you can subscribe, if you can like this, and more importantly, we would love to hear from you. Again, this is Ray Lopez talking about the market here in Orlando, Florida. Have a wonderful day.